Today we're introducing a blower for desoldering stations. This blower has a diameter of 50 millimeters, a thickness of 30 millimeters, an outlet inner diameter of 12 millimeters, and an inlet inner diameter of 12.5 millimeters. This blower has two inlet designs. One type cannot be connected to the air inlet. The other type can be connected to the air inlet duct. This blower is primarily used for desoldering stations. It operates on 24 volts power, has a power consumption of 13 watts, is highly energy efficient, operates at only 28,000 revolutions per minute, and operates with low noise. This blower provides a maximum flow rate of 6 TKFAN and a maximum static pressure of 2.61 kilopascals, perfectly meeting the flow and pressure requirements of desoldering stations. Other voltages, such as 12 volts, 48 volts, and 5 volts, are also available. TKFAN welcomes your inquiries.